Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Kevin here. Welcome to Affiliate Bootcamp. This is done for you affiliate marketing business. 99% done for you. It's just usually the 1% that actually you got to do to get yourself up and running. This is a unique way to get you from point A to point B much quicker, much faster, without all the technical headaches or anything like that. Because all you're going to do is import pages into ClickFunnels. All the bridge pages are done, all the short links are done, all the emails are done, everything is done for you in relation to doing that. And then the training section comes along where it teaches you how to get your 100 clicks, how to have the mindset right, how to understand the funnels, just doing a few tweaking things with it, how to there's additional courses in here like on YouTube and stuff like that where you can actually learn about things like funnel hacking, which is really brilliant, and a lot of people have paid a lot of money to go and see that. You're going to get that free training in there. Sending your first broadcast, YouTube contests. There's a whole section in here about YouTube, and the whole section about Russell paying you to drive traffic to his program, allowing you to have your affiliate link in there, which is insane, which is kind of good. And then, as we're just wrapping things up here, this is an advanced tactic. It's a course in itself, which people would have paid to go along to see at Funnel Hacking Live. You would have obviously had to, go to the event. The events were expensive enough to get there. You would have to pay for accommodation, ticket prices, hotels, everything to even see this gentleman speak. And this is something that I've actually got access to prior to this, because I did a selling online challenge as well, which was something that I did, and I got it to get an insight for this. But this is a more in-depth training in relation to that. And what this gentleman's done is he's basically turned his whole business around from literally nothing to a multi-million pound business, and he's using it through short form videos. And he adapted the perfect webinar script, which Russell has and still works today, and he's done it down to instead of having it over 60 minutes, he's now done it in a short form. So they're done really short, 30-second snippets and stuff like that, where he shows you how to do all this kind of stuff. So brilliant. You can see him getting awards here, the inner circle, and he's talking about people taking your money for advertising and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of this is organic. It's going to be organic, and it's something that you can implement and do and basically get some awesome results for your business. Okay, so getting started, he talks about Instagram, Facebook, where X, Threads, YouTube, LinkedIn. Okay, he brings you through this 60-second authority, which is the perfect webinar done down into 60 seconds rather than 60 minutes, which is kind of cool. It can be shorter than that as well. He's got 60 seconds. Yeah, 60 seconds is probably long enough to go through it. Okay, so go and check this out. This is worth its weight in gold. Okay, 60 seconds authority script. Okay, and you're going to get access to it here. So I'm not going to open that script because you got to be part of the actual program to get access to it. Okay, it'd be very unfair for me to open that script and give it to you, because you can simply come in Affiliate Bootcamp. You can learn all this for $7 a month or $97 straight off, and you can get access to that. Okay, but the hook story why section, he goes through this. There's another area here where Eric deep dives into the hook, the framework, everything that's done. He's giving you resources, guides here. Everything is done for you, and you can just basically go through that at your own pace. Okay, and I seen this a snippet of this being done. You actually implemented some of it. I used a bit of AI because I wasn't well at the time, and it still worked. So this definitely works. Whether you want to be on camera or do it with AI, it works. So make sure that you take lots of notes. You go through this. It's going to take a little bit of time to go all through this here, but it's definitely worthwhile doing that. Okay, and the overall a very comprehensive, in-depth program to something that you can use and get it going in your business. They're talking about unboxing videos here as a bonus here as well, and confirmation domination, where you can get started with that as well. Okay, and then simply next, we're done. Mark is complete. We've basically gone through mission 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down, getting the mindset right, the funnel hacking. We send out the first broadcast. You have the whole area of YouTube, how to do that kind of stuff. And what I'm going to do is throw in the SEO side of things, where I'm actually ranking those videos on the strategy that I'm using to get those videos on page 1 of Google plus page 1 of YouTube. You mightn't get every single one up there, but definitely working. It's a strategy that I'm using right now, so I'll throw that in for you as a bonus. And we'll also throw in some bonus about getting you started, YouTube contest in there, and I'll drive some traffic as well for you as well. Overall, very good, very comprehensive program. It is teaching you how to become an affiliate. It's giving you tools that you need to do that, and you can get going as well. The super, if you want to become within here, you get 6 income streams in your first initial one, which is these ones here. And then if you want to become super affiliate, you can get these additional ones here as well for yourself and your business. Okay, so all the training is done here. It's laid out for you with a super affiliate verification. Your commissions go from 30%, 40% up to 100%. So if somebody joins the $7 a month, you get to keep the $7 a month, or the $97 lifetime. If they become a super affiliate, you get $97. And if they decide to do the clipping, where that enables you to leverage Russell's material and video content, to use that and to place your own affiliate link underneath that you can actually drive sales and traffic for yourself, and that's $197. And then the conversation domination, which is a little bit more advanced strategies, $297. Okay, Russell Brunson introduces here. These are all successful entrepreneurs, large businesses, mega successful, and they're being interviewed. So we take Rachel. You have here is being interviewed. Rachel's been interviewed, and then she goes behind the scenes, shows the strategies in which she's using. Each one of these are the same with all these successful entrepreneurs. This is also included in that bonus. So you make sure that you can go through and watch them and get some tips and strategies, and then you can use one of them or 2 of those in your business. You won't want to be using every single one, but again, very good, comprehensive. Okay, and just a quick recap again of the community, which is the support, which is another little bonus that's hidden away, but make sure you go and check that out, because the community in here is 1K strong, 10 people online, 7 admins, and you have a whole section here of training materials, where this was October's training, where you got additional training on bridge pages, emails, Facebook organic, Instagram organic, and YouTube organic AI. This is just over 4 weeks of October. Up here in the classroom section, you have this section with Doug is in here, and he's talking to you about Affiliate Bootcamp and introducing you to some other strategies as well, bonus training, traffic strategies that you can drive traffic to different people and build relationships with them, and that's what he specializes in. Creating your first community funnel and affiliate strategies in week number 6. That's additional training. It's kind of hidden away. But the thing is about the members area here is, you get to share your wins and stuff like that, leveling up. 90 members in this here. This is all from some of the initial training. Just dropped 5 new videos this week. Yeah, boom. Just send them to the playlist so they can see, and if they like what they see, they can model it. It just kind of inspires people. First sale, which is great. Well done, congratulations. Finally did it, got around to doing something in the bridge funnel, which is great. And 10 members in the community, which is great. Congratulations, super affiliates, 900 members. Leveling up. Got my first sale, which is great. First opt-ins, which is brilliant. Bam, another sale when I was sick. I put this one in because I was really unwell and sick in bed all day, and just basically wiped out and generated a sale from that while being out sick. So that's kind of cool, because sometimes we think everything's going to go well and you're going to suddenly just become a super affiliate overnight. It takes a little bit of time and effort to get there. But isn't it nice to think that you could be generating sales even if you're not actively there? I think so. Cool. First sale today, action review, split testing, solo ads, brilliant. Win 20 members in the community. You can see that growing from 20 to 90. Bridge page video done. Excellent, excellent progress. Yeah. Solo ads done. So we're kind of, you got community people cheering people on with their successes, but if they're struggling with something too, somebody might have come across it, be able to help somebody out as well, which is kind of cool. Did an outreach email just to see how that was, tell people about the additional bonuses they may have overlooked that, celebrating 4 wins just to kind of show people that actually works, which is good. The evidence is there. So 18 people jumped on board there, 16 likes, and level three, celebrating a win, bootcamp. Yeah, I have this ranked on page 1 of Google and YouTube, which is something that I'll give to you as a bonus if you decide to come through the link as well. Just a strategy training that you can get access to. And with that said, jump on board the program, go through the program, treat it like a business, because sometimes when people come into the affiliate marketing, they think affiliate marketing is something that I can do, get rich quick scheme or something like that. The bit that's missing from affiliate marketing in a lot of cases is it's the affiliate marketing business. It's a business. Treat it like a business, and you'll get the results. Treat it like a hobby, you'll get hobby results. Treat it like your life depends on it. You'll get different results. Okay, so that's why it's important to have your goal setting, make sure that you have the mindset right, making sure that you really have a definite purpose in relation to what you want to achieve from this program. Make sure that you have a crystal clear vision. Maybe it's to bring your wife home from work, maybe it's to bring your husband home from work, who knows. Maybe you want to have 4 holidays a year. Maybe you want to have a business where you can travel around the world and just basically do affiliate marketing from the comfort of a sunny island rather than a freezing cold island. Maybe it's having a 3-day week rather than a 5-day week. Maybe it's just saying I've had enough. I've developed enough income through my own affiliate marketing business that now I can go on and do something different. Maybe something that you want to generate the income from this to invest in property. I'm just trying to make you think about the possibilities of what's available for yourself. This is a very good, robust program. I don't get too excited about too many things online because there's too many things that didn't work. And the reason why is because people think it's just a push button thing. It isn't. It takes a little bit of work, takes a little bit of effort. But once you get the system up and running and you know the knowledge, you can transfer this then to doing other affiliate programs and other affiliate businesses. And in fact, building out a business in general for other corporate people, and then they'll start to pay you for your skill level, which is kind of cool. A little hidden gem in there. So overall, very good. Go and get this program. Join from the link below this video. We'll throw in some bonuses for you. I'll see you when you come through the program. I'll email you the bonuses, and you can utilize them. We can keep in touch through the actual the group here, the community and support. You'll have a lot of good people in here as well. If I'm not in here, Doug's going to be in here. There's going to be Russell in here. Ben is going to be in here. Clayton. There's lots of good people in here. That John is also, good interaction with John, stuff like that. Okay, so there's lots of good stuff in here. Get involved with the people that are making things happen and join the community and get going. Affiliate Bootcamp, that's the place to be. Click on the link below, and I'll talk to you again very soon indeed. See you at the top. Bye for now.